This is Deandra of Work Boots and Glasses, and you believe that this beautiful table was made by someone who taught herself how to woodwork recently. Yeah.
You already did. We got some people coming. Some, I don't know if they're very important people.
Beautiful. Well, if you want a piece of furniture or just a little...
Or they just people. Good Day Sacramento is coming. I really don't know what we're gonna do. So we're gonna wing it today.
We were in your garage.
I know.
You had just taught yourself
Yes.
how to woodwork. The person behind this taught herself carpentry 1 year ago.
What?
This is Deandra. She is behind. And Deandra,
I know. It's crazy, right? Like I come in here and I'm looking like, wow, this is big.
this is big. You have your very own studio. Congratulations. It's something we talked about 2 years ago, and now it's here.
I know, God is good.
So, okay, you are self-taught. You were a self-taught woodworker.
Yes. I learned by following a plan for a sofa table. I had just posted on my Instagram my very first table build, and like I said, it was janky.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
But I loved it so much that I kept going, and now I do custom work for other people, and it's been a blessing. I'm having so much fun doing it too.
And you loved it because you made it. And there's something so special about that. Now, let's just take a little glimpse of some of the pieces that you are working on right now. These beautiful tables.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I was like, some of the people send me pictures of what they want, and I just kind of, make it my own. Other people have seen my signature fluted base table, and then they're like, I want one of those, and of course I make it. So.
And this is what she's talking about right here, this signature fluted base table. I mean, are we in West Elm? Excuse me.
No, work boots and glasses.
Work boots and glasses now, but it's so beautiful, and it was made by you. How special is it? I mean, let's think really quickly. This family is sharing a holiday, sharing a really special dinner, or just every single night.
Homework.
Homework.
Not making dinner, but doing homework. Laptop. We can sit there and do our work, or just chill with a nice cup of coffee.
Something you made with your hands. How cool is that?
I'm exhausted, but I'm excited. I even had to get away for a little self-care. With my grandmother. We're in Reno, can you tell? What you want to say?
Sanctified, filled with the Holy
There
Spirit.
it is, that's it. She saved, sanctified, and
filled.
filled. We finna go eat. That's what we about to do. Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
This is only the beginning.
Grandma, what do you think?
Right in the middle. Are we going to have breakfast?
I know they don't give you a lot to work with.
Okay, here we are at Kings Beach. And it's kind of snowing and it's kind of not. What you think?
Oh, I love it. I've been here before. I enjoyed it. There was a lot of people. It was during August. It was hot. And the sand was so hot you couldn't hardly walk on
You
it.
think it's gonna be hot now?
I doubt it. You
Let's
go
see
out
what
there and try.
I know. That's what I think I'm gonna try. Let's see.
Yeah, be careful.
I'm gonna get me a what's it called? What do they do? I don't even know the word for it.
Go down that way, walk around.
I'm right here. Yeah. Right. Let's see. Where did Teresa go? It's not bad.
Yeah, around it.
Yeah.
Is it hot? Warm?
I mean, it's warm.
Oh, it was like burning.
Yeah, it's warm. This is not horrible. So you want to see my toes? Probably not. But there's my feet. Where did she go? Oh, there she went over there. Okay. And look at the water. It's so pretty. It has like a little chill, but it's not like super hot. I mean, super cold. It's nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's one of my favorites.
So this big studio is not just for big furniture. What are we going to do with all the space?
Well, if anyone who has the inkling to want to learn how to do this, you can come here and I can teach you also. I am wanting to teach classes, so if you have fear of tools, let's conquer that by coming in and tackling them yourself. Yes?
Yes, sold. Let's do it. By the way, let's go to the front room really quickly. Deandra, you yourself are a mom, and Mother's Day is coming up. So we thought, gosh, you know, you don't just make big furniture, you make some really small, beautiful gifts as well.
And they can be customized to put your mom's name, your family's name, your kids' names, your grandma's names, anything that you want on there. If it's dates or birthdays or just, you know, words and photos, we can do that too.
Very cool. And what a special gift, something handmade by a local mom.
Yes.
Love that. If people want to follow you, get a hold of you, reach out to take a class,
Yes.
purchase something from
Yes.
you, where do they go?
Workbootsandglasses.com, or you can go to my Instagram where I show you all the things that I make and have fun doing at Work Boots and Glasses also. So that's on Instagram. But Work Boots and Glasses is my website.
I mean, is her happiness contagious or what?
Oh, I love her. Love her.
Come on. Give her a follow on Instagram. I think we're going to spend some time in this studio coming, you know, and
Let's hang out.
yeah,
You wanna go get
make it a
dirty?
regular thing. Do some workshopping together.
I think we should.
So.
That'll
Okay.
be so much fun.
Beautiful. Work Boots and Glasses, everybody. We'll send it back to you.
Fantastic.